Bubba,
Yeah.
I just had our producer make a comment. I guess the reason you leave it overnight, because this recipe has been around for, what, hundreds of years? When
God
they
knows.
did
I think how pepper is old. I don't know, really.
thousands of years.
I don't know. God knows how many.
Do you remember actually, I guess as a child, you remember your mom doing it, right?
Yes,
And probably she remembers her mom doing it.
that's right.
So this, we don't even know how old this recipe is, right? I guess
No.
I could Google it for us.
No, you can even imagine.
Bob, I'm going to Google it for us. I'm going to Google it and see how long this Ajvar has been around, okay?
You figure out through your push button.
Let me Google that for you, huh?
Yeah, okay.
Bubba,